Well, good morning. Another yoga class from the beautiful Carmel Valley Athletic Club. My name is Peggy Tobin. I'm out here, I can hear the birds. I can feel that beautiful clean air. Let's do some yoga today. Ready? I'm going to start seated. I can be on a block or just on the heels. Arms forward in child pose. Forehead down, forearms relaxed. Just take deep breaths in and out. Ready to come up on all fours with me? I round my back in a cat stretch. And then I go long, lifting the tailbone and head a bit. Looking forward. Round again, round. And this time, when I go long, I tuck the toes. Ready to lift with me? Downward dog. Now this is a special one. It's going to walk and walk, walk and walk. Chest back, hips high. Just walk and walk. 2 and 1. I'm going to walk my feet in, hang in forward fold, and softly roll it up. Hands come right through the center, straight up. Breathe in, breathe out, and let it roll back down. Just hang wherever it hangs. Knees soft or long. Very easy does it. Roll it up. Straight up or a little lift of the heart. And back down. Now just hold right here. Hands separate. I can just let gravity pull my head down and my hips going up. I can sway a little bit. I can do some deep knees. Whatever helps the back of the body release a little bit. And then I return to forward fold. Let's roll again. Lift, straight up. Or maybe a little squeeze of the seat, a little over the top. And back down. One more time, lift. And hands to heart center. We're going to do some straddling today. So I'm going to come out wide. How wide is wide enough? It's normally about the wrists and ankles lined up, but you know your body. Might be a little wider, might be a little more in. Look at how I'm in right now, parallel. Yeah, I'm just going to lift up. And I'm going to bring it down. Hands to thighs. Head forward, tailbone back. Soft knees if you need, yeah? Slide the hands down the legs. Now let your head hang right between the legs. And just softly keep it there. Now I'm going to let both hands come to one ankle and really drop that lower elbow and shoulder in. How close can you get to this leg with your chest, your forehead? Now just walk it over to the other side. Bring it around. Just breathe, just be. Then bring it center. A little stronger in the arms. Lift up one side. Now I can keep this arm up. I can wrap it around the back if that feels good. Lift up and bring it down. Other side, lift, hold, Keep breathing. Or my next exhale lets it wrap around. I can gaze up, I can go forward, I can look down. It's all fine. Lift up and bring it down. Now, how do we get out of this, right? Hand on each thigh. Soften knees, roll up. And release here. All right? Both heels in. Let's take a little seat right down in the middle here. So I'm always trying to push my knees out. My big toes are light. The arches of my feet are lifted a little bit. Tailbone down. Shoulders relaxed. Lift. When I exhale, let's go to one side. One arm drops. Now what you don't want is that arm to fall, right? Shoulder lifted. This arm can be up or floating right here. Keep it open, keep it breathable. I'm very centered in the hips. My feet are real strong. Come to center, breathe in. Breathe out. Let's try the other side. Again, the gaze can go up, forward, down. It's all good. This is your yoga. This is how you do these poses. They're yours. Let's come up. Now, if you want a little challenge, heel lift. Whoa, yeah? Yeah, you can do it. Heel down. Come on up. So let's relax the shoulders and arms for a moment. Still in this beautiful wide stance. I'm going to open up one foot to the side, one heel kicks. Got it? Now, real important here, turn your body back to me in beautiful long arms. I reach, hips go a little bit that way as I go this way and open. Triangle pose. Now, I love this one. Take up lots of room. You're strong through your feet. You're reaching through your fingertips. Your eye gaze can be right to me, up to the sky or the ceiling, down to the mat or the floor. It's all good. Beautiful. Take a breath. And out. Hand can be on the shin or sliding inside. Now it's like this hand brings me back up. So I stay lengthened. Let's come the other side. Open. Kick. Now see how the body wants to turn with it? So you've actually got to look back to me. Yeah, hips go this way a bit as I reach. There we go. So again, hand can be actually here, here, here. My legs are long, but my knees have that little bit of play in them. Breathe with me. That's it. Just let it breathe. Inhale and exhale. Top hand brings you up and parallel. Take a breath and out. I'm going to give you a little challenge now. We're going to go to that first side again. Turn it out. I reach, soften, look down. Look at how I tipped my body. And now lighten this foot a little or more. It's called floating half moon. But you keep those back toes down if you want. And lightly land. Breathe in. Now if you feel like the heart rate's going, whoa, that was balance, make sure you're breathing, okay? Just breathe through it. Line it up here as if you were going to do that open triangle again. But instead I start to tip and just lighten, just play with it. Just play. My shoulders stacked, open hips. You've had enough. Just slightly land it. Yeah, you can do it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Beautiful. A little shake. We'll just take you into a couple of warriors, and we'll go down to the floor, okay? Let's turn out again, but this time we bend and we find it. Now, I love warriors again because your stance is your stance. I could be way up here, great. Maybe it drops. Maybe it keeps dropping and I have to keep spreading a little more till this thigh is parallel to the floor, knee over ankle. Whatever level you're at, it's perfect. Arms. And just breathe right here. Be strong in the legs. Open your heart to me. Did that make your knee want to cave in? Keep it open. Yeah. Just take another breath. Inhale. Then exhale. Warrior two. I can extend this warrior, reaching it and bringing it here. This is another great way to make it yours. I can be here. I can be here. I can be up. Just shoulder open. Nothing covers my face. Some people like to lift and wrap this arm. It's like a half bind. Some people even come from underneath, do a full bind, right? Never struggle with it. If it's not happening, it's not happening. This is great. So is this, yeah? Let's go to a sun warrior. Lift. Straight up and down. Or on the exhale, a little over the top. This arm, oh, it's down right there. Breathing, right? Yeah. Level. Now if you need to shake out a little bit, I understand. And then come back to this side with me. How's your warrior on this side? Know your body. Maybe it drops lower, maybe it needs to be higher. It's perfect. It's perfect on you. You find yours. Arms. Check that knee isn't caving in, right? Breathing. Relaxing, yeah. My legs are strong, but my body can float. You've got it. What needs to be strong, but what can just relax? Reach. Tip. Just open that heart. Get on my shoulder, just whoa. Yeah. Again, it can be here. It can be on the thigh. It can be here. You want to take an arm wrap? You can wrap it. Half or full. Now, if that tipped your body way down looking at the ground, keep it open and up. Wherever you are is perfect. Yeah? How about Sun Warrior? One of my favorite moves, because it just feels so nice. Breathable, a little bit of strength involved, but just so much lift of heart. All right, come out. Yeah. Let's come to the center. Big breath in. Breathe out. So I'm going to let my legs come in. Whoa, yay. Now, we have options. Forearms to thighs, a little sumo. And just let your hips kind of rock around a little bit. If you want to bring it in, you want to drop the hips down to Hindi. That's fine too. And I can even still let it rock a little bit. Just like that. And then hands down, wherever you are, slip it to the floor. Bring it around here. So I'm going to tuck one foot in and have one foot long. If that doesn't work for you though, get on those sits bones. Just full on straddle. And my straddle could be here, here, wherever it is on you, with a tall body and a good centering. Yeah? Just reach an arm down, same side arm and leg. Then let this one lift up to the sky. Open up, let this shoulder fall back a little bit. Maybe it comes over the top. Open your heart. And lift it up. Now this one's kind of fun. This hand places right behind my hips. Push your hips forward and just go up. Ah. Take a breath, inhale. Exhale, let's bring it down. Let's go to the other side, yeah? So again, maybe this side doesn't tuck. The other side did, this one doesn't. Straddle. It's all okay, okay? Woo, right there. So yeah, we feel the hamstring, right, on this straighter leg. We're trying to open the hip by letting this knee relax. Then you get that little surprise of lower back and side when I go over the head here. If I decide to do that, woo, breathe. Just let it settle in. And if it's not for you, don't go there, okay? It can even be here. And then I bring it up. This hand goes right behind that hip, and all I do is push. Up, maybe over the top. Take another breath here. And out. Let's bring it down. Nice. So, back to straddle. Or if you can, crisscross. Or if you can, a little half lotus. Notice how I've got this foot on top, so I'm going to be tall and I'm going to turn toward that top leg. Giving it those beautiful deep breaths, looking back or closing your eyes when you go back over that back shoulder. On your next exhale, let it go. Now I'm going to put the other foot on top, or try and putting the other foot in front, or stay in straddle. You're tall, you're grounded, but you're lifted. Exhale. Take it here. There you go. And just breathe. There it is. Take one more breath with me. And let it go. Does that feel good? Let's untangle those legs if you have them all tucked in. We're going to lay it to the floor. Make sure I'm going to be okay here. There we go. So if you just draw the knees in and rock on the sides of the back, then you've got a nice little rocking motion, yeah? Maybe one foot down, one leg up. Now, if you ever get on the floor like I do and realize that hair tie is right in the wrong place, just get rid of it. Switch. This leg can be bent, this leg can be long, it's all good. What if you don't like that leg long? Just hug it in. It's all good. Last moves here. I open my arms up, knees over the body. Let it fall to the floor. Now maybe you need a block under here or between the legs. And then just open up your chest to the sky and maybe look down the other arm. When you're ready to move, make sure you're looking up first. Lift up and over. And I'm going to kind of get off that hip and off that little pack there, and then just lay it here. So again, I could have a block under, between. It's all fine. And when you're ready, look up at that ceiling, that sky, just that vision above you. Knees come up. Now the body can just lay. Perfect Shavasana here. Or a little bend to the knees. You know, some people even like to lay on their side. And that's fine. It's about releasing and relaxing. Now, however you choose to do this, like I said, even laying on the side, it's all good. Just let your belly relax. Let your heart open. And do about 10 breaths or more. This is your time. I want you to have a beautiful, wonderful day. Namaste.